We know how challenging it can be to create training content that is both engaging and effective. You have got two options. Either spend weeks at a time creating one or settle for slide decks that puts everyone to sleep. But what if you could drop just one prompt and could get a full-blown animated training video that's packed with real-world scenarios, professional voiceover, and complete animation that's ready in just minutes? Yes, that's actually possible. Today I'll show you how to create professional quality animated training videos using nothing but Animaker AI's animated video maker. You don't need any designing skills, no expensive software, and no production headaches. For this demo, we have created a new hire onboarding video that helps employees understand how to make the most of their first 90 days. Let's have a look at this example.
Welcome! You earned this. Now hear me out. Your first 90 days will set the bar for everything that follows. Don't waste them. Week 1. Don't wait to be onboarded. Go get onboarded. Ask for the one-to-one with your manager. Show up with 3 real questions. And before Friday, finish one thing. A doc, a fix, a call. Small doesn't matter. Finish does. That's how you start trusting yourself here. Day 30. You've shipped something real. Good. Now do the harder thing. You've also seen a tool, a process, a meeting that doesn't quite work. Bring it up. Not as a complaint, as fresh eyes, because in 3 months, you won't see it anymore, and the company will have lost a chance to fix it. Day 60. Look around. You're not the new person anymore. You're contributing, disagreeing, gently, even teaching someone newer. Now find your 3 people. A mentor, a peer, a friend. The company isn't watching you closely right now, but you should be. This is the version of you that sticks. Day 90. Before the official check-in, sit with yourself. 3 questions. Am I growing? Am I contributing? Am I in the right place? Don't dodge them. Don't sugarcoat them. The honest answer is the one that moves you forward. Your first 90 days are yours. Take them. Ship the small thing. Speak up. Find your people. Tell yourself the truth. And then, go do it again.
Pretty solid, right? Now let me walk you through how you can make that exact video happen. Head over to Google and search for Animaker AI. Click the first link and you will land on the platform. First-time users will need to sign up. Once you are in, you will see the dashboard with all of Animaker AI's tools laid out. Look for the AI animation tile and click on it. This takes you to the category page where you will find different categories like explainer videos, training, promo content, and more. For this example, we will create a motivational training video for new employees on how to approach their first 90 days. So I will choose the informational training category. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. The better your prompt, the better your video output will be. A good prompt should clearly mention 4 things: who the video is for, what the video is about, the tone you want, and the format or style you are expecting. Here is an example prompt for the video we created. The more context you give the AI, the stronger the output becomes. Hit generate and you will be taken to a setup screen where Animaker asks how you want your video to be created. Animaker AI 1.0 creates videos with smooth, professional animated characters that are perfect for traditional training environments. Animaker AI 2.0 builds your video using AI-generated images that matches your script. Gen AI uses cutting-edge generative AI to create modern, eye-catching video content. Each one has its place depending on your brand and what your audience expects. For this video, I am choosing Animaker AI 1.0 as this is the version wherein the AI will follow up with questions to build the perfect training video for you. Next up, choose your language and decide if you want background music. I am keeping it enabled as music adds energy and helps with pacing. Click Proceed to Next and watch the AI analyze your prompt. Here is something smart that Animaker AI does. Instead of just guessing what you want, the AI interacts with you like a creative assistant, asking a few questions so it can build the video exactly the way you want it. It takes a minute but makes a massive difference in the output. Click proceed to next and that's it. In just a few minutes, you will have a complete training video with full script, professional voiceover, scene transitions, animated characters, and background music. Everything synchronized and ready to go.
Am I growing? Am I contributing? Am I in the right place? Don't dodge them. Don't sugarcoat them.
Now you have got two options. In most cases, the result is already usable as it is. If everything looks good, just download it directly. Or if you want to tweak things, go to Advanced Edit. This will open the video in the Animaker AI's workspace where you can change the character outfits to match your brand colors. Swap the background music from our extensive royalty-free library, adjust text and fonts, and much more. Every detail is editable and you will have complete creative control to make the video exactly how you have envisioned it. When everything looks perfect, export it in your preferred resolution, or you can also share it directly on social media. And that's the complete process from idea to a complete training video in minutes, and that too with just a prompt. The old approach meant trading off between time, cost, and quality. But with Animaker AI's AI-powered animation, you don't have to make that trade anymore. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do subscribe for more such videos on practical AI tools that solve real workplace challenges. Drop a comment and tell us what kind of training videos are you planning to create. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and we will catch you in the next one.